Welcome to Utopia. In this video, we will set up the Utopia mining bot on a virtual private server (VPS) with Linux operating system. Connect to the VPS through SSH. We will use PuTTY application for this video. You can download PuTTY from the link given in the description. After installation, run PuTTY and in the host name field, enter your VPS IP address, leave the default setting of port 22 and connection type of SSH and click open. If you are connecting to your VPS for the first time, you will get a security alert about the host key not being cached in the registry. Click yes to add the new server's key and connect. Log in as root, then copy the password you received from the VPS provider into the clipboard and paste it into the password field of the PuTTY SSH session simply by right-clicking a single time or by entering your password manually. Once logged in successfully, follow the commands exactly as demonstrated in the video. Each command is provided in the video description. To copy the public key of your master client, click here. The Utopia mining bot is successfully started. It may take several hours for your bot to establish enough peer connections to become active on the network and begin earning Crypton rewards into the wallet of your master client. Congratulations!